Today we're going to make unicorn poop cookies. Now let's gather the ingredients. Now let's wash our hands. Check, check. Now let's gather our aprons. Check. Now let's follow the recipe. Double check. Now we split the dough into 6 pieces and color them all different colors of the rainbow so that the unicorn poop can be so cute. Now we split them into different circle pieces so that they don't get all smushed together. Now let's put them together so we can wrap them up to be unicorn poops. They look so delicious, but now we have to put these sprinkles on! Yay!
They're good?
Good.
Are those unicorn poop cookies?
Delicious.
I want more.